Hello everyone, this is Fanny. Welcome back to Creation by Fabi. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. I love to do quick and easy DIYs on a budget. So if you love that kind of content, I would love to be part of this family just by hitting the subscribe button, also the bell, and you will get notified every time I upload a new video and you will not miss anything. Today I'm really excited about this fun collab with such a talented ladies. As you saw in the thumbnail, we all going to be creating a beautiful craft but not spending $8. We want to encourage you to go look into your stash and see what do you have around and start crafting and have fun. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video for today, and I will leave all the links of these talented ladies on my description down below. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off by showing the materials. As you can see, I pull out my little basket with leftover pieces, wooden pieces. So I'm going to pick out a few and see what I can do with. I also going to be using one of those frame or canvas, I don't know, from previous DIY, and also some white acrylic paint and some wax and a color antique. So let's get started. So first I'm going to be using the square to line in those little pieces. They are the same size, so that was a plus for me. So then with the leftover stir sticks, so I mark it down, and then I'm going to be using my miter box to cut them. As you can see, next I went ahead and removed the masking tape. So I always do that to make sure the pieces don't move and it's easy to cut. So I went ahead, then I used some wooden glue and to be able to attach the pieces, just like so. So next I added some weight on top to let it dry for 15 minutes. So in the meantime, I'm going to be working with the rest of the pieces. So I'm going to be cutting down those pieces like 3 centimeters. Yeah, so I use my miter box, and there you have it. So I also sanded the edges. So now I'm going to be using the wood glue and attaching on the canvas just like so. So then when my pieces were dry, I'm going to be using the white acrylic paint, and I'm going to give it 2 good coats on it. So when the paint was dry, that's how it looks like. As you can see, I didn't paint the bottom of one of the pieces, is because I'm going to be attaching those pieces together, and if I painted and then I used the glue, it didn't work well for me, so I always do that. So then I went ahead, used the antique wax and distressed a little bit just to give it a really nice rustic look. So now I'm going to be attaching the pieces using the wood glue, but I also going to be adding a little bit of hot glue to do the process even quicker. So as you can see, now attaching both pieces, just hold it for a couple seconds, and there you have a little chair. Next, I was trying to see what I can do to cover those marks on my frame. So here I was showing a couple options, so but at the end I ended using this beautiful stencil from Dollar Tree and my antique wax. So I stenciled the arrows and also the little feathers. And I also going to be using other stencils and spell the word hope, just like so. And basically that is it for the first DIY. I think it came out really cute. You can decorate it however you want, just with a candle like I did, or with books on it, or little plant. I don't endless ideas. So now let's go and work with the second DIY. So for the second DIY, I'm going to be using this wooden box, jewelry box that I got on GOODWILL while ago, and I paid, I think was like 50 cents. So I removed one of the pieces inside, sanded a little bit, and then I'm going to be using the white acrylic paint and give you a really good coat on it, only inside for right now, just like so. So once the paint was dry, that's how it looks like, and now I'm going to put it back the lid just like so. And I'm going to be using those cute gems from Dollar Tree. There are stickers, so I'm going to be adding all around the edges just like so, and then also outside, only on the bottom. So next I went ahead and paint the entire box with the acrylic paint. I give it 2 coats, and that's how it looks like. So after the paint was dry, so I put it back the lid and then flip it over. So we need to create a little feet, so I'm going to be using those plastic containers from Dollar Tree. Come in the packet with 6, but I'm going to be using only 4, of course. So remove the lid just like so, and then I'm going to be painting in white. So we're going to be using the empty wax, but at first we're going to be attaching all the little feet on it, just like so. Look beautiful already. So now I'm going to be using the empty wax, like I already said, I think many times, the little brush, and just give it that really nice rustic look, the stretch it here and there. So I also going to be playing around with the leftover white paint on the brush, just because sometimes I go so hard with the brush and I did not like it, so I always go back and fix that. And that's how it looks like. I think at this point looks beautiful, and you can just leave it like that. But I want to my bags match with my first DIY, so I'm basically going to use the same stencils and still also some words and the little feathers on it. Just like so, and basically that is it for this DIY. After all I did was just kind of clean the mess you know, with the white paint, and also distress a little bit the letters, just like so. So I think this project came out absolutely beautiful. I'm going to be using it on my living room to organize my remote control, because for some reason I never find them. For today, thank you so much for watching. Let me know which one was your favorite one, number 1 or number 2. And also, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also don't forget to go check my friends' channels. So see you guys next time. Ciao ciao.